think one of our strong points is our sensitivity to rhythm, not only when we dance, but when we create our music.
Good hand, spin! Wow, you're doing it all wrong!
And you know, that reminds me of the time when we were in Japan recording one of our latest hits.
That's the word. That's the word. That's the word. That's the word. That's the word.
Oh, you gotta love that.
That was a pretty rockin' tune, Colonel Clef.
Yeah, man, very good, man.
But we were thinking it could use a little something else.
Maybe a different rhythm.
Well, how about a rhythm like this?
Well, we were hoping for a rhythm with a little more energy.
Well, why didn't I think of that? Oh, you kids are good.
Rhythm. It's one of the most important elements in determining what a song sounds like. Every type of music has its own distinctive rhythms. A lot of them even make us get up and dance, but in different ways. Check out how differently these three rhythms sound. You know, there's nothing like a soothing rhythm to help you relax after a tough workout.
Yeah, man.
And there's nothing like a disco rhythm to get you up and moving again. All right, let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, warm up. Good, that's good. Warm up. Faster. Move faster now.
Music power.
Believe in the beat.